8 ways to detox your body within hours. Just because you may be feeling like you're in a rut doesn't mean you have to turn to extreme detox methods to get your body back to up to speed. In fact, it can be as easy as eating certain foods over others and taking a few extra supplements. 8 easy ways to detox within the span of a day or so. Read through the following dietitian-recommended tips to quickly hit the reset button and detox your body naturally, in just 24 hours or less. 1. Overindulge in sleep. Sleep is crucial to getting your body back on the right track, Franceschini insisted, so logging more than your average hours of rest is one of the best ways to hit the reset button. 2. Drink a big glass of warm water with lemon first thing in the morning. Repeat after me. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Squeeze fresh lemons into a big glass of warm or room temperature water and drink it first thing in the morning. Avoid iced water and any cold beverages, especially during meals, since these will only mess with your digestion. 3. Replenish with the right nutrients, especially after a night of drinking. After a night out, it's important to replenish your body with the nutrients you lose by drinking alcohol. One of the organs that are most stressed when you're drinking is the liver. When you're replenishing the liver with some vital nutrients, you can actually skip your hangover and detox at the same time, Franceschini shared. She advises taking chlorella prior to going out drinking and then the morning after, which is chock full of those good B vitamins. Go for electrolytes while you're at it, too, but Franceschini advises avoiding drinks like Gatorade because, although a popular hangover remedy, they come with a host of additives that can slow down your body's recovery time. 4. Cut out processed sugar. It should come as no surprise, but the first things to go when you're in detox mode are processed foods, specifically processed sugars. Food can definitely be used for detoxification, so it's just as important to know what not to eat. 5. And load up your plate with leafy veggies instead. Whole foods like cruciferous veggies, broccoli, cauliflower, and leafy greens just became your new best friends. Sure, spinach and kale may come to the top of your mind when trying clean up your diet, but these veggies can be just as, if not more, effective at detoxing. 6. Brew yourself a cup of herbal tea. Dandelion, ginger, and red clover are all natural detoxifying herbs, making them some of the best herbal teas you can drink. 7. Reach for essential oils. Essential oils like lemon, oregano, myrrh, and frankincense are great ways to detox topically through the skin. Apply them, with a carrier oil, around your neck like you would do with perfume to target the lymphatic system. Plus, you'll just smell really good. 8. Don't forget about your lymphatic system. This is far and away the most ignored tip when it comes to detoxing, Franceschini told us. While we're used to detoxing the gut and limbs, focusing on the lymphatic system is just as important. The best ways to do so? Find an infrared sauna to sweat it out, get a lymphatic massage, or try dry brushing.